Well, I'm still working in my garden. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'd like to welcome you all to my channel and welcome any new subscribers. And if you're new here, please subscribe. And this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it is a collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. So, there'll be many other people doing tiny tidies, and there will be a playlist in my comments. So let's get busy. Here I got the landscaping fabric all put down, and I got it tucked underneath the fence so the weeds won't grow up on that side of the fence anyhow. So that job's all done. Well, this is an exciting part of the gardening. I'm going to plant a few perennials, so hopefully they'll just come up every year. Here I have a pot of 5 lilies, and they're supposed to be the pink variety, and they're supposed to be perennials, so hopefully they'll grow every year and I'll get more and more lilies. I really like lilies, so I'm planting a couple on each side. Well, I'm not sure the name of this plant. Anybody knows, just drop it in the comments for me so then I'll know. But I know I've grown it before, and I think it grows very well in the Alberta temperatures and stuff. And it grows a nice size, and I like it. It's so pretty. The plant I'm planting now is a thrush, and it has pretty pink flowers, and they're just little balls, and they're pretty little fluffy pink flowers, and they go above the leaves, and the leaves almost look like grass, and this is supposed to spread pretty good, so hopefully it'll spread around and flower and look great in my little fairy garden. Most of these plants were got pretty good root systems on them, so I broke them up and stuck them in the ground. I also put in some fresh soil that I bought and a little bit of timely release fertilizer with each plant. And that should help them grow great. Okay, I planted the same on the other side of the bench, which you can see there in the picture. I've got the lilies and the thrush and the other plant that I don't know the name of. And now we're going to clean up this side of the garden. We've got bricks to throw out of the garden. And it's always fun moving all these bricks. I think I've moved them a dozen times from one place to another. Well, we got everything out of that part of the garden now. All the bricks are moved, the stuff that's not supposed to be there. And so, of course, now I have to weed. Get this side of the garden in shape and we'll weed it up. And I'm going to be kind of careful here because I have quite a few sunflower starts coming up because I grew sunflowers in this spot last year. So I'm going to try and save as many as I can, and hopefully we'll have sunflowers again this year. So let's get this weeding done. We cleaned up this side of the flower bed too. Yay, my rocks are here. Hubby brought my rocks and I'm so thankful, and now I can get this part done. It's always great to just keep going with the project, and it's always wonderful to see it come to fruition. Fruition, I think that's how you say that word. Trying to be fancy here. Anyhow, nothing fancy about this lady. Just like playing in the dirt. Oh boy, look at me using my muscles. I'm just throwing those bags of rocks right over the fence. It seems so strange to me to buy rocks in a bag and have to pay for it. I came from BC and you could just go find gravel pits and help yourself to rocks. But now we live in Alberta, so I'm paying for my rocks. Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday, and I'm very pleased with how much I got done. Thank you, Sunday Dawn, for the motivation. Don't forget to watch the playlist, and I'll see you in my next video. Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye.